Decadent eggless chocolate cake recipe. Take 2 cups of refined wheat flour, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, add 1 teaspoon baking soda and half a teaspoon baking powder, add pinch of salt, sieve them together. Take 1 cup sugar in a pot, add water to make a solution, sugar solution. Heat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Add half cup olive oil in the sugar solution. Mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Stir them well to make a homogeneous solution. Add the flour mixture which we had already made slowly to this solution and continuously stir it. Add some more flour mixture to get the required consistency. Apply a layer of oil in the cake mold. Pour cake mixture in it slowly so that no air bubble can entrap it. Put the cake maximum temperature with mold in the preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. Check whether the knife comes out clean after insertion. Take out it from oven and turn it on plate. Pour the melted chocolate on the cake and smoothen it. The cake is ready for the use. See the delicious cake.